SNC-Lavalin has published a letter to Canadians. Can you tell us why?
We believe that the events of a week ago, in terms of us not being invited in to negotiate a remediation agreement, is fundamentally unfair to the innocent employees, the shareholders, pensioners, supply chain, clients.
So given the company's current situation, what's really at stake here? What are you fighting for?
We have 9,000 Canadian employees at the moment working on all sorts of critical projects. We've got over 107 offices throughout Canada, and we provide employment, we provide opportunities for supply chain across Canada. And Canada's got fantastic engineering capability that we use to export throughout the world.
Can you tell us a little bit about this cultural shift that's taken place within the organization and the change in governance?
So we've made massive changes. The board has completely changed, the ExCom has completely changed, senior management has completely changed. The people who were actually responsible, are long gone. They went after the events. They're the people who have left. We have, as a company, we've completely moved on in terms of the structure of the company and how we operate.
Following last week's announcement, there's been much speculation in the media about, what are our SNC-Lavalin's next steps. Can you give us some comment on that?
We want to negotiate a settlement and move on. That's our number one priority. We want to be able to continue to contribute towards Canadian advancement. We want to be able to work from a base, a Canadian headquarters, a Montreal headquarters, and be able to work in collaboration with our partners and our supply chain to deliver fantastic projects across Canada, and ultimately be able to continue to export all over the world.
What, in your views, are some of SNC-Lavalin's greatest contributions to Canada?
I think SNC-Lavalin for over 100 years has contributed creating fantastic infrastructure, taking forward technological advances. SNC-Lavalin contributes every day to every facet of Canadian life.
And can you tell us a bit about what is your ambition for the future of SNC-Lavalin?
Well, the future is to expand and grow and be in the top tier of engineering and construction companies throughout the world, to be a Canadian global champion. We've expanded as a company, but we've expanded internationally with international clients, and our Canadian activities have halved. Our ambition really is to negotiate a fair settlement, put this behind us, and continue to expand our Canadian operations as well as our international operations.